everyone, this is Gliza made with Glee. In this video, I'm gonna be unboxing my birthday gift that I got myself from MyBluPrint.com. If you're not familiar with MyBluPrint, it used to be called Craftsy, and they have videos, all sorts of tutorials on all sorts of crafting projects, and they also sell supplies. And I've been a member for quite a while, since it used to be Craftsy and now it's MyBluPrint. And I'm going to share with you the items that I got for myself, and basically these are going to be my plans for 2020. This is what I'm going to be starting. I love to craft. You guys all know that. So I got a few things, well, two kits in particular, and these things are currently on sale on MyBluPrint. So if you're interested in the two things that I'm sharing, hurry. Go right now onto MyBluPrint and you can order them. So the first thing that I got myself was the Good Egg sweater knitting kit, and oh my gosh, first of all, I love the way this is packaged. It comes in a durable plastic bag with a drawstring, so you can actually, work on your project and stick it right back into that plastic bag, so you have both a project bag that comes with it and all of the materials. So the yarn is super soft. It is I got two different colors here. I decided to go with oatmeal heather and espresso heather. It's like two shades of brown. So you have the darker brown and the lighter brown. And this is like a Fair Isles yoke on the top and on the sleeves. And I think it is gorgeous, and I can't wait to start this. I know I have all the needles and stuff on stash, so I didn't have to buy anything extra, but you would of course check, as you're looking at the description, see what needles you may need if you need to order them in addition to the kit. Now the kit again comes with the pattern and all of the yarn that you need for the size that you selected, and I am so excited about it. Now my second gift to myself is actually, so first I have my knitting project, my knitting sweater, and the reason why I'm starting another knitting project, like I said, or you've seen in my December video, I was working on something else knitting, and I'll share an update with you, let you know that I did finish one of those or two of those things, so I'm able to start something new. So in this package for my quilting project for this year, there's again all the materials you need. One package has 1 yard of this marshmallow fabric, and the other package here has, I believe it's 4 yards of a white fabric. That's I'm gonna assume is gonna be for the striping and piecing together. And then this is called a layer cake, which is like 10-inch cuts of fabric, and as you can see, there's a wide variety of all the beautiful colors in the rainbow, because this is the pattern that I decided to use this year. It's called All Roads Botanicals Kit, and I just absolutely love the color and the layout and style of this particular quilt top. So this is my gift to myself. I am super excited about both of these projects. Of course, I will share with you how I work on them throughout the year, but I can't wait to get started. So I'm going to be cleaning up my room right now, put all my patterns and supplies together, and just get them all lined up and ready to get going. So do check out MyBluPrint.com if you guys want to join me along this year in either knitting this sweater or quilting this quilt. Feel free to order your kit and whatever, and we can do it together. So thanks everyone for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye!